morning, Mr. Vlogger.
Morning, Miss Vlogger.
Okay.
Today we're going to IKEA. But before that,
I have meetings everywhere. So we're going to Poblacion in Lunes, Everyday Dining. That's my coach Vicky's restaurant. We are with Gail.
yeah, we have
And Jakey Lynn.
So we're here at Lunes. Here, thank you. So we're here at Lunes Everyday Dining in Poblacion, Makati. And yeah, look at the place. So we'll try their coffee and their breakfast food, and let's see if it's good. So yeah. Mix it.
This is how they all look like working.
Huh?
Binabantayan mo.
Dito ka pala. I didn't know. I just saw this. It was a nice place, so I thought I could work here.
Jowa who will bantay.
So
Babantayan niya ako.
I didn't know you were here.
Binabantayan ako.
They have a secret pub. Secret place up here. People could buy drinks. I think it's just opening now. So but now we're back in the real world. So see, that's the real world.
Let's go to my next meeting. It's already 4 p.m. So let's get this party started. Shut up.
Okay, so we are
First time here.
first time in IKEA, and I'm vlogging this. So they got different stores outside. So
Moa pa to, bebe.
Moa pa pala. I thought this is IKEA na.
So, Moa pa kami.
Okay.
Nakakahiya. Excited lang siya,
Excited.
Pwede lang maging excited.
I'm with Gail and Jakey Lee.
Hi!
Oh, here we go. And we're here for basically two things. Number one is sofa, and second one is
Food.
Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, and food.
And food.
Meatballs.
Meatballs.
Yeah, meatballs. And salmon. Let's order later food. I'll let you guys taste the food here. And we'll order all the food. And then
All the
share
food?
na lang.
We're gonna be so full.
You know what, si Vision? Yun yung sinabi niya yung luck table. Remember? His table when he started Mind Valley.
Whoa.
Diba he said it's only like $8 table when he started Mind Valley in 2003 or 2008.
Crazy.
He was using the lac table. You know why it's lac table? Did you listen to the material?
No, I haven't finished it.
No, he said it's lack table because you lack ideas and you or lack space or something. So like, you use that table. That was his table.
So does it have like magic powers?
I don't know, but Mind Valley started with just that table, and now Mind Valley is like a multi-million company.
Oh no, so that table.
That table.
That kind of table.
So nung nag-start si Vision Lakiani daw ng table, yan daw yun. So, the design is called Nordic style. Yeah.
Oh, ito yung mga nakikita ko sa shopping.
Pinterest.
So this is how you shop in IKEA. They got food. We're gonna try that later. They have like different showrooms. So yeah, this is the room. Crazy.
If I had a flower for every time I thought of you, it will be a bouquet. So if I had the flower for every time I thought of you.
Aw, I thought that was something personal. So
Manifesting. Babe,
I'm just
it was
kidding.
inside
It's-
this.
you can't actually read it.
1.3 lang.
I don't know what the language
Sobrang mura
is.
ng game. Oh, mura! Kasi mga 8K yan doon. Oh my God! I need to eat pala. That's it! As after eating, I just put it like that. Pero meron pang isang table lang. Mura na yan Itong buong to, 170. Yeah, that's cheap. 170K for like the whole thing?
Yeah.
That's cheap, love.
Reimagine your small space and don't say no to your
Yeah.
dreams. Why shouldn't we be kuripot?
Because it means you're contented na.
Shouldn't we be contented?
Kontento ka na, yan lang yung buhay mo. Be grateful but never be contented. Of course, you have to be grateful for what you have, but also not be contented with what you have. Because if you become contented, you stay in your comfort zone. You never grow.
Okay.
Okay, hug me na. So, ito pala yung bagay na cup, babe. No, sakto, oh. Can I buy this? Where can I buy this? Can I buy that, babe? This one? Oh my God, this one's so social. 300 only. Social, tatapon
You
ko.
already have it.
Alec Cuenca doesn't want me to buy anything.
True.
So I'm just gonna buy everything online so Alec cannot see what I'll buy. He's like, you have that, you have that, you have that. Don't buy it na, don't buy it na. It's my house. Asa pala decision din pala siya. Kala ko ako lang pala decision sa ating dalawa. Sit na kami. 1, 2, 3, go.
We're in IKEA.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go. So I'm not really sure. Oh, crunchy almond cake. Oh, so they have the food ready.
Yeah.
Here, they have the food ready. So we're just gonna go and get our own trays. And okay, this is on us. I'm getting my own tray. So we have our own cart. Let's try this. Not a lot of cake. Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. Sir Kanag. Mushroom soup. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Ano yung one Nordic drink?
Yay!
It's really affordable.
I don't think
This is
anyone got.
crazy.
Oh, nice.
This is so good. I mean, I haven't even tried it, but it looks so nice. It's the system. I love the system so much. It's super easy to follow. I didn't feel even the tiniest bit of hassle in ordering. Now let's try the food. Super excited. Let's go.
Alec, goals for the week.
My goals for the week is get back at the 15 FPs that I did, and hopefully close at least 5 cases this week.
I-up, matuto siya mag-smart. Yun lang yun.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I wanna eat na. I'm hungry na.
Yeah, hungry na. Game baby cake. Round 2. Oh.
Wala pa ako na-shop. I'm so pissed.
What about us? What about everything we've been through?
What about trust? weirdos. So, should I buy this?
Yes. Comment down below if she should buy it.
Because I'll buy it. Okay. Sorry.
Check it out.
Yeah. It's yeah. Meron akong account eh, pero hindi ko alam paano. How do I know? Lasang coffee.
So, I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of this stuff, just get to know me on a more personal level, then go click that subscribe button and I'll share you more things in the coming videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow.